Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In this video, I'll show you how to remove titles from the continue watching section in Disney Plus. Let's get started. Step 1 is to open Disney Plus. Start by opening the Disney Plus app or website on your device. 2 is to access your profile. Click on your profile icon into the top right corner from the menu. Select My Space to view your personalized content. Locate Continue Watching. Scroll down until you find the Continue Watching section. Just simply click on View All to expand the list of titles. Step 4 is to remove title. Find the movie or show you want to remove, look for the X icon on the top right of it and click on Remove button next to it. Click it and the title will be removed from your continue watching list. Repeat as needed. If you want to remove more tiles, just follow the same steps for each one. And that's it. Now your continue watching list will only have the content you want. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.